What's up? Just think of what we can do. Say hi to your pals.
Say, ain't you one of them's on Reggie's security detail? You didn't help him much, but maybe you can do something for me now that conflab power's back. You see that baby over there? I was using her to remodel weapons for a spell, but she ain't getting much love nowadays. Do me a favor and put the old girl to work.
We really owe you one. Roger. Let's get things fired up. I'd say the future is bright.
Well, now it's my turn to get to work.
Best of luck.
Well, well, welcome to the Glaive. I hate to bother you right off the bat, but I need your help with something. Otherwise, the whole town could be in trouble. Libertus was right when he said I could count on you. Well, let's get to work, shall we?
Testing. Do you read me? Thanks again for helping out. See the ropeway on your left? That's the one. There's another line on your right, but it's been out of order for some time now. I was hoping you could handle the repairs. We use the cable cars to haul those meteor shards from here to our thermoelectric incinerators. Both lines need to be up and running to properly fuel the plant. And if the plant loses power, so does the entire grid. Watch your back in there. Place is crawling with critters. Real nasty ones, too. They're like a pack of rabid dogs, but more demon-like. Or so I've heard. Take the elevator to the upper level.
boy.
You can access the ropeway from there.
Best of luck.
Well, look at that. Thanks a bunch. Watch your step on the way back.
Great work today. You did the whole town a huge favor. Plant's up and running once more. If we get back to capacity, we could power the whole region.